Siyempre ito po ay magbibigay ng pagkakataon din po kay Congressman Zaldico na harapin at magbigay ng kanyang depensa dito po sa mga ongoing proceedings na ngayon sa Sandigan Bayan.
Si House Speaker at Isabela 6th District Representative Faustino Bojidi III, iginiit na mahalagang hakbang ito tungo sa katarungan at rule of law. Malinaw din anyang mensahe ito na ang sino mang nagtatangkang takasan ng batas ay mapapapanagot.
Kailangan namin nga pag-usapan bilang komite. TRICOM po ito eh. Pero very important po kasi na ma-avoid po talaga namin yung conflict of interest situation. Hindi ba? Kasi nga, again, former Congressman Zaldico was a former House Appropriations Chair, and most certainly many of those involved were and are legislators up until today. Hindi ba? And one of the reasons as to why we suspended the House Infracom proceedings was precisely because of that. No? So even if the ICI had already winded up, yung po ombudsman naman po is still continuing to undertake po their investigation. Ako lang naman po ito. It is better left to these particular types of bodies para wala din pong masabi yung taong bayan na magkakaroon po ng takipan sa bagay po na ito.